you can also go on like any of our pages and, look. And also, you guys, I'm going to say this right now because I've had so many people that would message me and say, like, oh, can I duet your video? I don't care personally. If you care about somebody duetting your video, turn your duets off. Seriously. Like, you don't need to ask somebody permission, because if they have duets turned on, they're fine with it. If they didn't want you to duet it, they could turn it off. So yeah, duets is really good. The third thing, if you are brand spanking new and you don't have any sales, like, and you don't want to talk about income claims or anything like that, the testimonies in here, you guys, videos. Like, for example, you could record a video where, and I did this, I don't know, a couple weeks ago too, where I was just like, you guys need to see how much my friend Daryl has made since he started digital marketing in January. Check this out. And then here's his testimony. Show the video, okay? You don't need to have all of these income claims to talk about, you guys. And I feel like so many people get hung up on that. You're like, how can I make a sale when I haven't seen results? I told you. I just told you. And I'm going to give you one really great piece of content. If you are doing faceless, okay? Sometimes I will make videos going throughout my day, right? And I'm not showing my face. For example, I did one well, I showed my face in this, but whatever. I did one the other day where I was chaperoning my son's field trip. And so I'm showing, like, this is what we did today, and I'm so glad that I had this time to like go about my day and do this with him or whatever. There's faceless content of people that will just be like pouring their morning coffee, and then you're recording your keys walking to the car, and whatever, like just a little snippet of your life, right? Without showing your face. Piece it together with a trending audio, okay, and put some text on the screen. And you guys, make sure your text is not taking up the entire screen, okay? Make sure it's not. It needs to just be clean. Keep it clean, because if think about it, like when you see a commercial or when you see an ad on TV, their text is not all over here. Their text is small because they don't want to lose sight of the video or whatever they're showing. Okay. So don't blow up your text all over the screen. And honestly, when you are doing text, less is more. If you feel the need to type out more, put it in the captions. Okay. Like in your little info box. Let me see. So yeah, like as far as going from launch to profit, like those are like some of the easiest videos for y'all to start with. If you like have nothing to show for it, those are some of the easiest videos. Talk about why you're excited about this, you guys. Your excitement will be contagious. And I'm telling you, if you are an introverted person or if you are naturally quiet, you probably don't know. I am too. If you saw me in person, I'm like I would not come up to you on the other side of the room. That's not me. I'm not like loud and outgoing. I get passionate about something though, and that's why that comes out, because I'm very passionate about this. So you need to think about that when you're creating content, that you're doing it with a need. The need is to stop somebody's scroll. Okay. That's kind of all I've got. So do we want to open it for Q&A? I don't know. Yes. Okay.
Yes, we can do some Q&A.
Okay. Let's see. So if you have a question, oh, Shirley said, do you feel going live is a must? Okay, it's not a must because you can absolutely make money without going live. However, lives are money, you guys. Lives are money. It relates into the whole, this is how you're connecting with your customer, right? So personally, I commit to going live 4 to 5 times a week. However, this last week has been funky for me just because I've gotten nervous because my video went viral. I had a lot of negativity on it, and so I'm being cautious there. But lives are money, and it's because you're able to talk to somebody versus if you're just posting a video. So Charmaine said, can't wait until I can go live. Charmaine, and if you haven't if you haven't watched the TikTok trainings too, I tell you guys how to get to 1,000 followers in 7 days. So let me see. Let's look at all right, Vieira. I am going to unmute you.
I'll help you, Victoria.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, hello. Can you
Hi.
hear me?
Yes.
Hi, Victoria. Hi, Michelle. Victoria, I love you. I watched so many videos of your videos already, and you are very inspiring. And this was very helpful. I have to go back because I didn't have time to make all the notes. But I have one comment or question that I'm new. I haven't made any sell yet, and I posted on TikTok. I made the screenshot of from the community from Wins, and that video was blocked by TikTok, and it says community guidelines violation. So now I'm afraid to post something like that.
Don't be. I've had, and I know Michelle's has, like a lot of us have had experience with all of, like, not all, but videos taken down or getting banned and stuff like that. I'm actually on my 3rd account because of that, and it doesn't stop me because we have an email list, right? So I'm able to like email them, let them know, hey, I'm moving over here, whatever. They do that just randomly. Sometimes the video will get reported for X, Y, or Z. Don't worry about that though. It could be, I've noticed there's certain words that I don't put on my screen, certain words that I don't say. I won't ever say payment plan. I spell that out. I won't say purchase. I won't say join. By the way, you guys, like, nobody should be saying join because they're not like joining something, right? People they're purchasing a program. It's not a team. Okay. I don't say recruit. I don't say like PayPal, things like that. Like, so if you're doing anything like that, and I've even gotten cautious with, I won't even put dollar signs usually. Like, so if I say, if you want to learn how to make 900 a day, I just put 900, like I won't do the dollar sign. So
okay.
Yeah, but every now and then TikTok will just randomly take a video down, but you keep chugging. Like, it never holds me down. I keep going.
I guess I just have to make that backup account, right? To in case they
Yes.
ban me, right? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
I need to make a 4th backup because I need to do that now that, like, I mentioned it. Okay.
Kim,
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hi, thank you, Victoria. I love watching you as well. So mine is kind of on the lines of what we just talked about. So I watched Amy's training the other day about changes that are coming to TikTok. And so now I'm like paranoid about, because I haven't been on that long, and I've had 3 videos violations, and 2 of them I did get back, but the one, I think it was in my description because I had some phrases, and I think it was how to teach moms to make money from home. I think that's what got me. But with all the changes that are coming, I'm just like freaking out about, because I don't want all my videos shut down. So I know you just went over the things that you did, and I wrote those down, but I don't know how to get around stuff with words very easily without sitting there thinking about it. And my video is going to take forever without saying, the things that we can't say. So what is your advice on?
I don't focus on it. I feel like if you focus on it too much, then you're overcomplicating it,
Yeah.
And so I create content and I just put it out there. But ChatGPT is great. So you can go and search in there. Yeah, I don't overthink it. I just push it out, and like, it's usually okay. Yeah.
So, but because I haven't done this for a while, but the 900 a day, all those things are okay.